I'm so cozy. Hey y'all, what's up? I am about to head. For some reason, I'm just losing everything. I'm just so frustrated right now. I'm about to go do a little photo shoot, a little behind the scenes. I know I really do look busted and disgusted. I'm trying to get myself together. I have on this dress. It's just a short dress. It's like spandecky type. And this jean jacket. The dress is from Dee Dee's, and then the jean jacket is from Rainbow. And then I have on my flip-flops, or these shoes here from Five and Below. And that's pretty much it. So anyway, so I'm just grabbing this shader brush eyebrow kit I'm finna use because I don't have any other makeup. Grab that dark shade and add that to my lid. I wanted to show you guys my little accessories that I have. I got these glasses from the mall the other day, which I'll try them on for you guys and show you what they're looking like. I really like them. I think they're so cute. I was gonna get the all black ones. My little sister was like, oh, you have too many black ones. So we're about to go hit up downtown, take a few pictures. We made it downtown. And I am here with Tanya Estelle. We are finna get some shots in Old Sac. We have this long jacket and this dress. Whew, I don't like my gut. And then these little simple flip-flops. And then I have my new sunshades that I think are so stinking cute. But yeah, we're gonna try to go ahead and get some of these photos. This building behind me, all the way up there, and this nice sculpture behind me. Yeah, y'all just come along, okay? Y'all, it's hot. Had to stop by Taco Bell and get me a mango flip or mango whip something. Why does this lip gloss look like this? Man. Who is that? Y'all just heard somebody hit the window over there while I was taking a picture. I'm not too for sure why they would do that. Whoever you are who hit that window, hi. I'm still taking pictures here and I'm still filming. There was a whoa, yeah. Yeah. Hi guys. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Y'all, the sun is going down, which is amazing. We in front of this bank still. And I don't know if you guys can see, but where we're trying to get this picture, there's a little man all the way back there. And he's a security. Kind of spooked me. I think it was him who was banging on the window, but I don't know. Still taking pictures. We're walking towards the bridge, trying to hurry up before the sunlight goes down. Okay guys, so we're still walking towards the bridge. We're almost there. There's Old Sac over there. I just want to let y'all know the bridge is painted. If you can see, it's not real. Okay, it's just painted like this gold color. know what it is, but I heard a bird. Anyways, I'm so frustrated. The sun has gone down. It's going down. Let me show you guys behind me. The sun is setting, but it's getting windy now. As y'all can see, my hair is just blowing in the little breeze. I have lip gloss on, which is halfway off now. But every time the wind blows, my hair is stuck like this. Can you see? Can you see? So I'm just getting so frustrated. Like, I can't get a picture. I have my junk with me. My bra's coming down. Oh my God, it's just the hardest thing ever. So, high five. Kudos to all of you who got that bridge shot. Because I don't know how. I'm trying. You see the wind is blowing in my eye. And you got lipstick all on your face. I just want to let you know it's a struggle. It's a struggle trying to get these pictures. Hopefully they come out beautiful, but I guarantee you, out of 100 pictures, I'll find one. Just one, even though it's hard out here for a pimp. You know what I'm saying? You got the people on the water. You can rent these, they got a boat, and then the thing on the back. Ew. Look how disgusting this bridge is. Okay guys, so you see that again, it's in action. The wind is blowing my hair, but we are by the water. We are on a bridge. Y'all, we still here. Still trying to get a good photo. Still practicing. Still at it. I just want to encourage you guys to never give up. And I say that every single time. And I've been giving up on a daily. On a daily, I've been giving up. I don't know why his car sound like that, but he needs to stop turning around. Shoot. Alright, y'all. Let me go take some more photos. Bye. Don't forget to take a picture on the Golden Gate Bridge. This just in. We are at the Sacramento Golden Gate Bridge. And there are a ton of people here. People, do you have anything to say? Crickets. Live a little. Give me just a little more time. Where over the rainbow. Just playing. Beyonce ain't got nothing on me. What I was suggesting to Tanya was that we need a wagon, like sports wagon, where we can just carry all of our equipment in there instead of carrying purses and bags. We just had a wagon with everything in there. It'd be better to work from that wagon. I don't have my purse on me because earlier it was hot. I had too much. As you can see underneath my eyes, my makeup is just like melting. I got raccoon eyes now. My hair, Tanya got lipstick on her face. My hair is blowing. It looks rat-a-tat-tatted. I don't got no brush. I don't got nothing. I don't have anything. I don't even got a little rice paper to block my, sweaty face. Nothing. So it'll make it a lot easier. I wish I had a wagon. We heading out. We did what we could do. That was practice. Practice makes perfect. We'll get better and we'll come back and be professionals at this. So we're gonna head back. This was just a little bit of a behind the scenes of trying to get photos for Instagram. Hopefully out of the 60 that I took, there's one. And so now we walk in the streets trying to get back to our car. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for subscribing. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and leave me some comments below. Let me know, if you live in the Sacramento area, where are some good places to get some photos at? The guy over there, I don't know if y'all can see him, but the security over there, y'all, that's the guy I think that was banging on the door and was This is the end of the vlog. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I hope to see you guys next week. Hopefully I can keep this up. Deuces.